Hi, I'm David with ITW Pro Brands, manufacturers of LPS industrial products. Primarily a greaseless lubricant, LPS1 is also an incredibly effective solution for restoring water-damaged electrical components.
Water is a critical factor in the breakdown of major industrial equipment.
Usually, water damage is a gradual process through condensation, rainfall, groundwater, or seepage.
It can also be triggered by catastrophic events like severe storms, flooding, or burst pipes.
But whatever the cause, you can salvage water-damaged electronics with LPS1. Here's how it works. We've got two RC cars, not exactly major industrial equipment.
But they're great for quick demonstrations of LPS1's superior protection and restoration qualities when it comes to water damage.
As you can see, both are in top-flight running condition. First, I'll spray LPS1 on car number 1 to protect its electrical components. I'll leave car number 2 untreated. Now I'll submerge both in water. Now, let's see how they run.
After flooding car number 1, LPS1 completely displaced the water and allowed the car to continue running properly.
Now let's check on car number 2. Without the protection of LPS1, car number 2's electrical components are dead in the water.
Now watch this.
I'm going to spray LPS1 on car number 2 with the power button on.
By applying LPS1 to car number 2, good as new. We displaced the moisture and restored the car's electrical conductivity.
Now both the LPS1 pre-treated car and the LPS1 restored car are in perfect running condition. So regardless of your industrial equipment size, think of LPS1 as your go-to fix for water-damaged electronics.
LPS1 preventing the breakdown of electrical equipment caused by water. Place your online order today for LPS1.